Weather alert. Weather alert.
National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, western Harrison County in southern Mississippi, Hancock County in southern Mississippi, south central Pearl River County in southern Mississippi, until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Stennis Space Center, 8 miles northeast of Slidell, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gulfport, Bay St. Louis, Diamond Head, Kiln, Lyman, Stennis Space Center, Shoreline Park, and Burlington. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 269 and 273. Interstate 10 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 34. Interstate 59 in Louisiana between mile markers 6 and 11. Interstate 59 in Mississippi between mile markers 1 and 2. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Louisiana and southern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Louisiana and southern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following parish: St. Tammany, Louisiana, and the following counties in Mississippi: Hancock, Harrison, and Pearl River.